how to install Muber home screen widget. So this is the app where you can see what your friends are listening to, either on Spotify or Apple Music. So just go to the app. First, you need to create an account, log in with your Spotify or Apple Music. Without that, you won't be able to proceed. It can be, of course, like a free account on Spotify. You don't need to be upgraded to Spotify Premium. But when you did that, in the process of creating an account, you will need to be asked to add the home screen widget. So just tap and hold and then tap plus in the top right, and then you can just search for Muber, and then from here you will be able to add the widget. Unfortunately, there is only one size of this home screen widget, because sometimes there are small widgets, horizontal, there are big widgets, but here there is just one horizontal widget like that, and then you can just add it and then just tap down in the top right, and that's the idea. That's basically how you added the widget, and then you will just see it like this. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and then you will be able just to see what your friends are listening to right on your home screen. It's a pretty cool feature, especially for the close friends. You will see what they listened, and then when you tap, you'll just be redirected to the friends feed in this Muber app. So that's what it is. There is also lock screen widget. It's a separate widget which you can also install. You can also tap and hold, and then you will easily remove the widget like that.